In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header and footer on Hostinger. We'll be working inside the Hostinger website editor, and the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. The header and footer are two of the most important parts of your website because they appear across multiple pages and help visitors navigate your site, recognize your brand, and find important information quickly. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to your website dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Website and then choose Edit Website. This will open the website editor where you can make visual changes to your site without needing to code anything. Let's begin with the header. In the editor, move your cursor to the top area of the page and hover over the header section. You should see the option to edit it. Click Edit. And from here, you can start customizing the header however you like. This is where you can adjust the layout, update the design, and change the appearance to better match your brand or the style of your website. Take your time here, because even small changes to the spacing, colors, or alignment can make a big difference in how polished your site looks. Next, click on Elements. This area lets you work with items that appear in the header, such as your logo and other visual components. Click on the logo and you'll be able to customize it as needed. For example, you may want to replace it with your current brand logo, adjust its size, or reposition it so it fits better within the header. As you make changes, keep readability and balance in mind so the header stays clean and professional. Once your header looks the way you want, scroll down to the bottom of the page to work on the footer. Simply click on the footer section and then select Edit Section. Just like with the header, you'll be able to customize everything in this area. This is a great place to refine the layout, update the styling, and make sure the footer matches the rest of your website design. As you customize the footer, focus on keeping it organized and easy to read. Since the footer often contains helpful site-wide information, a simple and consistent design usually works best. And that's it. That's how you customize the header and footer on Hostinger. Once you're happy with your changes, review everything carefully to make sure the design feels consistent from top to bottom.